Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to discover our PROTONE exterior drawer, designed to bring both functionality and style to your furniture. It's easy to install with front adjustment, vertical adjustment of plus or minus 2 mm, and horizontal adjustment of plus or minus 1 mm for a perfect fit. Its soft closing system ensures smooth, quiet, and safe sliding. Thanks to its synchronized full extension runners, you can easily access all the contents without any effort. Available in 6 depths from 27 to 500, 3 heights 178, 131 and 93, and in 2 finishes, anthracite grey and white. The comprehensive kit thoughtfully includes a complete set of precisely engineered sides, premium quality full extension runners equipped with a smooth and silent soft close mechanism, robust and secure front clips, and their corresponding protective covers, all designed for optimal functionality and durability. PROTONE, limitless versatility, absolute simplicity.